Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get Photoshop in your mobile. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. Let's start the video. Open any web like Google and search PhotoPay. As you can see the PhotoPay on top. Click on it. Click on new project and select your project type. Then click on create. Now you can see the Photoshop all function in this app. You can zoom the picture also. Now create your YouTube thumbnail and much more things. Thanks for watching, and if you need any IPTV subscription you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the video description. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.